Hey Bellaras! If you watched part 1, you already know that beautiful skin starts from the inside. Hydration, food, sleep. But now, let's talk about what comes next. Because sometimes, even with healthy habits, our masks still don't work right. And 9 times out of 10, the reason is simple. We're skipping the prep. So in this video, I'm sharing 5 things to do before applying any DIY mask or product for real results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. I post glow-up videos every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Let's get into it. Step number 1, start with a clean slate. If your skin isn't clean, nothing will absorb. Leftover makeup, SPF, oil, or sweat will block every single ingredient. Clean skin means no residue from last night's moisturizer, sunscreen, or anything else that clogs or coats your pores. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin, or try honey and oats with lukewarm water if you're going natural. I have a full video on DIY natural cleanser. I'll link it if you want to explore that option. Step number 2, slightly damp skin for better absorption. This one is one of my biggest secrets. Apply your DIYs on slightly damp skin, not completely dry. When your skin is hydrated, ingredients like yogurt, tea, or cucumber absorb deeper instead of sitting on top. This is especially helpful if you're using coffee, turmeric, or tea-based masks. It prevents staining and improves removal. Always apply within 30 seconds after cleansing or misting for best absorption. Step number 3, exfoliate weekly. If your skin looks dull or your mask isn't doing much, chances are dead skin is blocking the results. You don't need harsh scrubs. Just exfoliate once or twice a week using natural, gentle textures like rice or oats. Try oat with honey or ground coffee with yogurt. Both smooth texture and boost absorption for the next step. Regular exfoliation clears pores and preps your skin to soak in every drop of nourishment. Step number 4, steam to open your pores. Steam is still one of my favorite glow-up tricks. 3 to 5 minutes is all it takes. Add herbs like green tea, mint to your steam for bonus anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits. Steam helps open pores, loosen buildup, and let your mask absorb deeper and work faster. I love doing this before acne masks like tea, rice, or potato. It makes them 10 times more effective. Finally, step number 5, follow up with the right finish. After your mask, don't just rinse and go. Your skin needs a full close-up routine to lock in the glow. Rinse with cool water to close your pores, then pat dry gently with a soft cloth. No rubbing. Follow with a soothing toner like rose water or clove toner. Both calm and balance the skin beautifully. Finish with aloe vera gel or a light moisturizer to seal in hydration and protect your skin barrier. So Bellaras, before you give up on your DIYs, fix your prep. It's the foundation for every mask and serum. These small steps make a huge difference, and they don't cost a thing. Your skin will feel the change. Let me know in the comments which prep steps are you already doing, and which ones do you need to add today. And if you missed part 1 of this series, go back and watch it now. It's all about healing from the inside out. I've linked it right here and in the description. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!